Okay, good. 302.8, 304. One more push. Come on, come on. It's almost there. Good morning, all. Today is 21st April. Time is around 9:31. It seems like a positive start for the day. And if you look at this cluster, right, there's been some good buying delta. So any dip into this place, I would consider for a buy if it is sustaining. So I'm currently just looking for any support coming off this level and then probably see if I can get a setup from here on the upside. It's an expiry day, so I will be looking at the next week expiry options. So I'm currently watching 24,400 C. On top of it, currently the price is kind of hovering around the VWAP. So it's kind of a sweet spot in both ways. We have a support, previous buying delta support is there, and then current day VWAP also is there. Looks like it's trying to take a support from there. I'll set up my positions, I think. Mm. So that's 24,400 call from the next week expiry. Yeah, that's a good close, I think. Hmm. I'll go with the full size. Just waiting for a small dip. Okay. Mm, yeah, I'm in. Uh, okay, I think there was some small slippage at the entry. That's okay. I'll add the stop loss now. Oh, five. The target is around 305 point. What is it? Yeah, 5.5. All right. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, it's currently above the EMA, which is good. Uh, 283.45 was the SL, and 305.5 would be our target. Uh, all right. So what I expect is like yeah, a bounce of the VWAP, and if it can create a new day high, the trade would give us our target. Yesterday, yeah, there was no video because yesterday I didn't get any setup. I waited, but I couldn't fit anything into my risk appetite. So it was a little bit volatile yesterday, so I didn't plan any trade. Anyway, let's see what's going to happen with this trade. Yeah, it's currently still around. I would say it's still okay. Now it's trying to. I don't want to see that coming down the EMA, um, which will kind of, yeah, it's trying to take us up out from there. 295. It went to 295. Yeah, the structure looks bullish actually. In the option candle also, option chart also, this looks bullish. If you see, right, it made a higher high and now probably a higher low. In that case, the next expectation would be a higher high, which would be, I think the previous high is around 307 points change. So our target is 305.5. If that's happening, then that would give our target in this trade. And regarding the geopolitical tensions, it's all almost some sort of uncertainty is there still, but majority, yeah, it's giving some good hopes on ceasefires and things like that, which means the chaos will come down finally, and the market will return to the normal state. Currently, the VIX, I think it is hovering around 18 odd levels. Yeah, let's see how this goes. So this candle has closed above the previous two, three candles, which is good. It's kind of a breakout candle and seems like a healthy one. Okay, now we'll have to wait. Yeah, if you have observed every time when it comes down to the 13 EMA, it's trying to take a support from there, which means people are keeping their buying orders there. They're happy to enter, hoping it can push higher. Currently, it is around 5,000 profit. Okay, 297, 297.5. Okay, that's a good push. 300, 301. Nice. 300, 299, 98. It's dropping. It went to 301 actually. It's almost like getting into the 10th minute now since the trade is punched. Yeah. Okay, now. Okay, it's now coming down and trying to close below The EMA. Not good. Hmm, if the scandal is going to close above the EMA, which would give us some confidence to stay in this trade, ideally, yeah, this is the same area from where the previous buying pushes come. The problem is today is an expiry day, so there would be random spikes up and down. So yeah, we probably will need to. That's the reason why I have decided, to go with the next week or upcoming week expiries option candle, which would, likely to give you lesser fluctuations and a stable one. So it is easier for me to manage with my position sizing. It doesn't mean that the current week expiry is not going to work, but yeah, it might work with most of the people, but with me, I always struggled. Yeah, because of the random spikes, whichever comes, right? So yeah, it's a good candle close above the EMA. This is looking good for the upside. There would be some SL taken on the lower side, and then now suddenly it reversed. Now, if you're getting a push, hopefully we might get the target in this flow. Yeah, it's almost like now, as I told, it's 10 minutes now. It's kind of like, yeah, early morning scalps, right? Usually that will be like faster ones. They tend to have either they tend to show some sort of aggression in one side. So before 10, I mean, before the first half an hour, whichever trade comes, usually I have observed that it will have some sort of, very aggressive pushes to either side. Yeah, a little confusing. But yeah, we will have to actually hold on to it once we punch the trade as per the system, because yeah, anyway we have our SL defined in the system, and the target also is there, so there's no need to touch any buttons in between. Now if you see, it's almost came down. It was showing around 9,000 plus loss. Yeah, we have to sit through it. Don't have to be panicked. And also it went up above earlier, showing around 12,000, 11,000 change profit also. So yeah, this fluctuation is what we probably need to survive initially. Once we decided a target and an exit point on the lower side, either of it. We'll have to literally wait for it until unless your system says otherwise. So you have to exit because you have seen something, potentially going against your position or whatever criteria rules you have defined. You have to go by that, which will kind of, streamline the process, or people say disciplined approach, right? So yeah, when you have rules it's set already, it helps actually a lot. And you just need to follow it, which is the most difficult thing anyway. But yeah, when you have rules, right, you've done the first step there, and now you just need to follow it. So we have to make sure the rules are there, which I did. So I know my rule says you don't have to exit or panic in between. You just need to, you know, follow it, sit through the trade. Okay, this one looks like a good candle closed above the EMA as well. Okay, now the push 302, it went to 302. Okay, come on, man. One push here. It went up to 302. I mean, 301.95 was the high of this candle. Okay, good. 302.8, 304. One more push. Come on, come on. It's almost there. It went to 304. Oh, okay, done. Good push. All right. So the trade is done now. I think there's some small slippage here as well. Anyway, that is fine. It's okay. Now it's trying to go up. Yeah, this is what I told earlier. It might try to create a new day high. Yeah, it's now doing it. You see, a push from the same level, and then support of the VWAP, and then yeah, it went up. Literally made a new day high, and it seems like buyers are there now stepping in. Uh, it was a nice, good trade. All right. So yeah. So this is the trade. Usually I take two trades, but today I think I will stop with this one. It's an expiry day anyway. So yeah, I'll make a journal, and I will come back tomorrow. Till then, stay calm and trade safely. Okay. Bye bye.